Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, this is the handout that we were working on for September 23rd. Some of the questions were basically just adding, subtracting integers. The second part was simplifying expressions, and then the last page was using the distributive property and combining like terms. So it was just another review before we actually start solving equations, hopefully tomorrow. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to do a couple examples from each section so that you have an idea what to do. So I'm going to start with the very first one here. It's a negative 8. It's a negative 8 plus a negative 8. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to a negative 8 on the number line, which is right here. And then since it's a plus negative 8, that means we're going to be going to the left. So we're just going to count 8 to the left. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer for this one is a negative 16. All right. Always go to the first number on the number line. And then if it's negative, go left. If it's positive, go right. Okay, so let me do another one. I'm going to do number 6. A negative 4 minus 8. So again, we're going to start by going to a negative 4 on the number line, which is right here. And then we're going to go 8 to the left since we have a minus 8. That means go left. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll be a negative 12. All right, now I'm going to do one more and I'm going to do number 8 because this is the one that a lot of students struggle with. So it's a negative 7 minus a negative 8. So when you have a minus negative, you always change the minus and the negative to pluses. You're going to change those to pluses. So now what you have is 7 plus 8. So that means we're going to start at 7 and then we're going to go 8 in the right direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer for this one is a positive 15. All right, there we have it. All right, that's it. That's it for that section. Now, let's go to the next section. I'm going to go to the back page. All right, so now these first two, all you're going to do is, since these are both variables, you're going to put both of those numbers inside the box. So this would be 10b minus 4b. And just like we were doing in the previous problems, you're going to start at the number 10, which is right here. And then you're going to go 4 to the left since it's a minus 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, that's 6b. Okay. And then let's do number 12. Number 12 is a negative 2x minus 9x. So again, if I were doing a box, this would be a negative 2 x minus 9x. So I'm going to start at a negative 2, which is right here. And then I'm going to go 9 to the left since I have a minus 9. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a negative 2 minus 9 is a negative 11x. That would be our answer. All right, you guys good? All right, so now I'm going to do one of the ones that has parentheses, and then I'm going to do one that has parentheses with another number. So I'm going to do number 16. So in order to box anything up, you have to get rid of the parentheses first. I'm going to say that again. Before you can box or circle anything up, you have to get rid of the parentheses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a negative 9 times 1, which is going to be a negative 9. And then I'm going to do a negative 9 times a negative 7. And that's going to be a positive 63. And of course, I have to keep the x. Now, if I were doing that in boxes and circles, I would put the 63x here and I would put the minus 9 here. And that's all I can do. There's nothing else you can do because boxes and circles don't mix, just like cats and dogs don't mix. So boxes and circles don't mix, but that's it. That's it. Now, I'm going to do number 18, and then I'm going to stop and post this. Again, I'm going to put a box here. I'm going to put a circle here. Now, first thing you always do is get rid of the parentheses by distributing the number in front of it. So the number that we have in front of it is a -2. So a -2 times 1x is going to be a -2x. And then I'm going to do a -2 times a +7, and that's going to be a -14. So now I also have this 4, so I'm going to put this 4 up there. So now I have the expression without the parentheses. Now I can do boxes and circles. So the 4 is going to go, I'm going to change the color. So that 4 is going to go here in the circle. The -2x is going to go in the box. The -14 is also going to go in the circle. Now, this one right here needs to be simplified. So I'm going to start by going to 4, which is right here. And then since it's a -14, I'm going to go left 14. So let's count that. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So my last number is a -10. So my final answer is going to be, I'm going to write it over here, a -2x minus 10. That's what this simplifies to, a -2x minus 10. So that's what you're doing. If you have parentheses, distribute, get rid of the parentheses, then box and circle it up. Use the number line if you're not sure which way to go. Always start by going to the first number and then look at the second number. That should tell you if you go left or right. And then whichever direction you go in, just count that number, and where you end, that's your answer. All right, I'm going to stop and post this. And if you have any questions, let me know tomorrow. Bye.